this?
Bad dog.
Like I said, what is going on here?
I'd like to know that myself.
No, bad dog.
Oh, shit!
You know what's going on.
I think I feel the pain too.
I want to have 2 relationships.
Bad dog.
Oh, the weight of the world on my shoulders! It's just bearing me down to my knees.
Hey, Alex, are those 2 guys?
Oh.
Bad dog. You didn't react well enough.
Bitch, no!
Jack, I'm glad you're here. Nope, gotta put the leg down.
Good dog now. Wait. Oh, fine, I'll hold his hand.
All right, I'm good with this. No.
I don't want to hold your hand.
Good dog. Don't you slap him.
How dare you?
How dare you?
Ow.
Bad dog! Whirling in motion. Pain on both sides.
Now look. I know what we can do. Give me a minute.
Let me dig in closer to you.
Actually, let me look at you guys over here. I want to have a good look at you.
Oh, Alex, thank you. Just thank you, Alex. Thank you.
I'm going with him.
Dog.
I'm going with
Hold her
him.
back.
Gentlemen.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's obviously a lady.
I was talking to them!
Don't correct me.
Jack, sure I've slept with these 2. But you're the one I really want.
Bullshit.
I think that if true love can prevail, we can all be together. Bullshit.